Today I am doing a short crafting tutorial with you guys today, and it's about DTF transfers, direct to film printing. So I bought an image. This is a transfer. I bought it off TEMU, and I had no idea how to even use this. I used to own a salon, and way back when, and the woman next to me owned a clothing boutique, and I actually saw her do these in the back room. I would hang out with her, and I just didn't want to be in my business. I would hang out in hers, but it's still available, right? So anyway, this has been years, probably 10 years, no, less. Anyway, and she would print them on her own computer, and then she'd press them. So I was scrolling through TEMU the other day, and I was like, what can I buy to do a TEMU review on forward shelling? And I came across these really cute images. I'm like, I don't know, maybe. This is the image I picked out. Really cute flamingos for Christmas. Really cute, right? So I tried one out, and it looks really, really good. I have a Cricut. I will admit I don't ever use it because I don't have the patience to weed out all those little things. So when I saw you could just buy them, it never crossed my mind that, hello, that's an option, and maybe I didn't need to buy my whole giant machine, but I did one and it turned out really great. So I am going to do the flamingos with you all today. And I'm going to show you how to do it. It's going to be super simple and quick. So let's see if this TEMU one does good, because the first time it did good, you never know. I've got my t-shirt on the pillow press. I already ironed this. I already used a lint roller, remove any moisture. I have my print here. I am just going to eyeball it because I've done quite a few of these. Not these, but with my Cricut I have. Okay, so once you have your image there, it's going to be face up. You don't want to put it backwards. You're going to get Teflon. This is parchment paper. So we're going to have a matte outcome because I love gloss, but unfortunately I do not have Teflon paper. All right, you're going to grab your Cricut iron. I have mine set on 300, and you are going to press it 7 to 10 seconds and up to 30 seconds. Now I am going to move it around a little bit just so I make sure all the corners are good. So basically like this is a image. Okay, so if you leave it on too long or the heat setting is too high, you can scorch your design, and that is hot. All right, so there goes that. Now you should wait 30 seconds before peeling this image off. Whew, that thing is still hot. So there's an air bubble right there. Let me see if I can get that while it's still down here. You can use duct tape or masking tape, painter's tape to hold it down. There's still like a little funny little spot right here. I don't know if you see it, like right here. That's kind of where the transfer was folded. So I guess that is one con to purchasing these DTFs off of TEMU, because they love their bags and they can't ever seem to find the box, right? The image will stick to the shirt when it's ready. Oh, it's still hot. Ooh, up there's hot. This is gonna be so freaking cute. Okay. I'm using my Cricut at 350 degrees based on prior experience. 400 is too hot and 300 was too low. So I'm just going to use medium to firm pressure. I'm just going to slowly go over it. You just need 7 to 10 seconds. This is so simple, you guys. It's not even funny. Okay, now we're gonna wait 30 seconds and then remove the image. I would say if you buy blank t-shirts, I wouldn't buy this brand. I like Next Level, but not Ideal. It's kind of, it's crunchy. It's crunchy, it's not soft. It's not terrible. But you know, it's like for a holiday shirt, you're only gonna wear it a couple times a year, so it doesn't matter too much. If you don't feel like making these, I will have some of these on sale on my website, and I'll actually have custom, that's my cricket. I'll have custom designs on my website, because since filming this video, I've actually started designing my own images and printing them out myself. Okay, let's peel it up and see how it looks. The key to peeling it back, keep it close as possible. You don't want to pull up. You want to pull with the shirt. Just like you're waxing. Ooh, look at that. All right. Look at that. It looks good. The little dots are all there. Everything is down. Oh, that little dot didn't stick. Please hold. Oh, it stuck. Oh, that's so funny. Look at that. Oh my gosh, how cute is that? Okay, let's raise it up and see what it looks like. Okay, you guys, we just finished and here it is. It looks so freaking good. It looks so good. This turned out much better than my first TEMU transfer. When I had the heat up too high, I scorched it in places. I also didn't use a Teflon or parchment paper over it, and that made a big difference. And I did not lint roll it. So if you skip those steps, then it's gonna look like that. So like the R is a little messed up. See how it didn't like take all the way? Same on the M. And then the A is like wavy. So if you use the tip, so if you use your parchment paper, 300 to 350 degrees, and you iron the shirt and let roll it beforehand, you're good to go. That's the key. That's the secret. So awesome. So if you make it, tag me on Instagram, do FL Shelling. All right, guys. Bye.